Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. On this video we're solving problem 700, search in a binary search tree. What's this about? You're given the root of a binary search tree, BST, and an integer val. Find the node in the BST that the node's value equals val and return the subtree rooted with that node. If such a node does not exist, return null. Example 1, we have this tree and the value is 2, so we need to return this value. And now we need to return value 5. It's nothing, so we just return none. Okay, I think this is pretty simple. I think that we just need to go and say, okay, if root is none, return none. Yeah, let's say we start with a root that doesn't exist. We start with nothing, and then we can do something like okay, left search result equals self dot search bst of root dot left and val. And then we can also do the same for the right side. So this will just do a recursion. So yeah, let's search for this one, then search for the right one, then search for the other one. So let's say it starts with left. Then okay, let's come here and then let's go for also left and right, but it does left. Okay, 1 equals val, no. And then return this. Also, if root.val equals val, return root. Yeah. So if we're searching for 2, we come here, hey, returns 2. Great, we're here with the 2 from the left side. Right side will return none, so it will be if left search result return left search result, else return right search result. So if there's a result on the left, it returns it. If there's a result on the right, it returns it. And if it's none, then both of them are none, so it will return none. Let me submit. Yep, got accepted. Only did 75. Well, memory-wise, it did very well, but time-wise, it didn't do so much. I don't know why. Let me just submit again, see if it does better than 75. Did 88, like way worse. But anyways, this is the way to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.